Welcome back to Wrecking Crew Hobby, guys. Finally, a little break in the weather. Gonna do a little work on the project truck. Already did a little speed run test. I'm gonna start tearing this down. Gonna start with the motor and speed control, and then we'll do some test runs, and I'll probably come in and put on the new hub so I can put on the bigger tires, and then I'll have to put on the new body, or try and make one of my bodies fit, because I don't think with the hub extensions and the bigger tires they're going to fit under this body anymore. So I'm going to get to work. I'll see you guys here shortly. Alright guys, this is a GPS tracker that will tell me the miles per hour and G's and everything that this truck can pull. We're going to do a baseline run to see how much improvement we get through the build. Let's go give it a try. Go ahead. 20 miles an hour. Alright, so I've installed the new Castle motor. Now I'm going to install the driveline support bearing. Keep the drivetrain a little smoother for all this extra added power. Installed the driveline support bearing. Keep the wobble down. Alright, motor, ESC, driveline support bearing all installed. I'm going to use the same battery I did my initial testing in. That got us 20 miles an hour. See what this gets us, and then I'll see if it's enough power to roast these tires off. Be back. Alright, first set of upgrades. Let's see. Honestly, it looks maybe just a little faster, definitely a little more torquey. Let's get some tires on here and start throwing some real power at it with some 4S and 6S. Alright guys, we got the 3S in here. Give it a quick try. Definitely more punchy. Let's see, what do we get speed-wise? 29. We'll get there. Alright guys, so after putting in the motor, the new speed control, the driveline support bearing, and running up to a 3S, we got this up to 29 miles an hour. We will get this substantially faster. I want to keep the videos kind of short. So I'll see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000. I'd like to start giving some stuff away, guys. See you guys next time.